In this example, I need to find the reference angles for the following two angles here measured in degrees. Well, what do we mean by reference angles? Remember, the reference angle for any angle in standard position is the positive acute angle made by the terminal side of the angle on the x-axis. So the first thing I need to do in every case is draw my angle in standard position. In part A, my angle is 150 degrees. Remember, standard position means the vertex is at the origin, my initial side is along the positive x-axis. My angle is positive, I'm going to rotate counterclockwise, and as 150 lies between 90 and 180, my angle is going to terminate in quadrant 2. So here is my angle that terminates in quadrant 2. This is theta, right there. And I need to find the positive acute angle made by the terminal side of the angle and the x-axis. Here is my terminal side. Here is the x-axis. So this angle here is the acute angle between the terminal side and the x-axis. This is my reference angle. I'm going to denote it as theta prime. Some texts use theta with a caret on top or theta sub r. I'm just going to use theta prime. So now I need to find my reference angle. Some students memorize formulas for finding reference angles in every quadrant. I think it's easy just looking at the picture. Looking at this picture, we know that the reference angle plus the angle has to add up to 180 degrees. So my reference angle is just 180 degrees minus the given angle of 150 degrees. So then my reference angle is 180 minus 150 is 30 degrees. Now looking at my second example, my angle is negative. So again, my initial side is going to be along the positive x-axis, but I'm going to rotate in the negative direction. Often with negative angles, it's easier to actually find coterminal angles and then draw your angle in standard position. So using coterminal angles, my given angle is negative 300 degrees. I need a positive angle that's coterminal with it, so I add one revolution of 360 degrees. Negative 300 plus 360 is positive 60 degrees. Now 60 degrees terminates in quadrant 1. So its coterminal angle, negative 300 degrees, also terminates in quadrant 1. So now I can draw my angle, theta, that terminates in quadrant 1. There is theta, negative 300 degrees. And here is my positive 60 degrees, its coterminal angle. Now I need to find the reference angle. And the reference angle for coterminal angles are equal. So I'm going to find the reference angle for 60 degrees. That is very easy. When your angle is in quadrant 1, it is its reference angle. So my reference angle is 60 degrees. Because 60 degrees is the acute angle the terminal side makes with the x-axis. So the answer to part B is 60 degrees.